Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service door, and fan. Removal. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board in numerical order. Carefully lift the right edge of the heatsink and slide the heatsink out from underneath the edge of the base enclosure. Remove the heatsink. Replacement. Important: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Use alcohol and a soft cloth, or an alcohol swab, to clean all thermal grease off of the heatsink assembly and primary processor. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply the proper amount of thermal grease to the center of the primary processor core. Toe the left edge of the heatsink underneath the edge of the base enclosure. Align the 4 mounting screws with the standoffs on the system board and position the heatsink over the processor. Tighten the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board in numerical order.